Today I'm going to be talking about Energex gate locks, specifically gate locks rather than the traditional Energex padlock or the Energex meter box lock. There's been a trend in southeast Queensland to secure the property at the front boundary or the front fence, seeing a lot more of people putting up a 6-foot fence and then putting a vehicular gate as well as a pedestrian gate into that front fence. This gives more privacy, it obviously gives us more security, but it does present a problem in that the meter box, which is either on the side of the house or the meter box is either on the front fence. Now if it's on the front fence, it should have an Energex padlock on it so that the electricity meter reader can access that and check your meters, or alternatively, if it's behind the front fence and on the side of the house, you need to give him access through any gates. And the way we do this is Energex have got a master key system, and they require any locks that lead to the Energex or that are in the way of the Energex meter reader, sorry, the meter box, they need to be on that master key system. So we can put a Energex approved lock into a gate, and that way the meter reader can access the meter box. Gate locks have their own special set of requirements in that they're out in the weather. They tend to be a lot more mobile. The frames tend to move a lot more, so that's a bit of a situation we've got to look at. But probably what a lot of people don't realise is that gates are great when they're made out of wrought iron or they've got mesh on them. But of course you've got to stop someone putting their hand through and just open the inside. And we do that by using a double-sided gate lock. Works quite well. In fact, it works particularly well with an electric gate release or an intercom. These are items that we can supply and install. And we particularly like the Ring product. Just throw a little thank you out there to that particular designer or manufacturer. They've got a great product that works really well. The Energex gate locks, however, have to be master keyed, so we can do that. We can do that when we come out onto your property, or we can do that over our front bench. And we can also put some perspex on your gate too, if for example you want to stop someone reaching through, but you don't want to have the lock locked at all times from the inside. You want to have a free egress. Anyway, give us a call. We're too happy to help with any aspect of Energex locks or gate locks, or just generally locks in general. Thanks again, and I invite you to give me a call or email me.